Listen to that clunk. The engine is locked solid. This isn't just a dead battery, guys. We have a massive mechanical disaster on our hands. I found the culprit. The exhaust rain cap rusted completely open. Last week's storm dumped gallons of water straight down into the engine block. Pulling the dipstick confirms it. Look at this thick, disgusting, milky sludge. That is exactly what happens when heavy oil and rainwater mix together. There is no quick fix for this. We have to tear the top end down, strip the heavy covers, and access the fuel injectors immediately. These rusted injectors are fighting me every inch. It takes a 4-foot breaker bar and every pound of leverage I have to snap them loose. Here we go. Look at that geyser. That is pure hydraulic pressure shooting the trapped water 10 feet into the air. Looking down the cylinder, it is completely flooded with trapped rainwater. Now, we are going to use the starter to physically blow it all out. Now we pull the drain plug and get all that contaminated, milky sludge out of the oil pan. It is absolutely disgusting, but incredibly satisfying. Time for the good stuff. We are pouring in crystal clear, fresh diesel oil to flush the system and coat those iron cylinders before the start. She's alive! Listen to that heavy diesel roar. We just brought this classic Ford back from the dead. Catch you guys on the next repair.